As we all know that Balaji Social Foundation organizes Grand Ganesh Utsav at Regimental Plaza with a unique theme and different social causes. And this year, the theme was, I would like to know it from audience, the theme of Ganesh Utsav was? Ganesh Utsav का theme क्या था आज? इस साल, sorry. और जोर से? और जोर से? Yes, the theme of this year's Ganesh Utsav was Kedarnath. Actually vacations में प्लान था केदारनाथ जाने का दिवाली वेकेशन में, बट यहाँ इतने अच्छे दर्शन हो गए सबको कि they were just, it was a divine arrangement. और throughout the 10 days of Ganesh Utsav, different programs were organized like bhajan, kirtan. और स्पेशल ये था, बाप्पा का वेलकम was just awesome. Different sages from all over the country were invited. गणपति बप्पा गए, लेकिन आज भी अगर मैं किसी से मिलती हूँ, अगर बात निकलती है तो लोग मुझे जरूर बोलते हैं कि क्या वेलकम था. इट वॉज जस्ट ऑसम. ये आप देख सकते हैं केदारनाथ जी के, यहाँ केदारनाथ जी के मंदिर में जो स्टैचू है, बहुत बहुत मेहनत करने के बाद, बहुत ढूंढने के बाद सर ने इसकी स्थापना की थी. और एक बात बताना चाहूंगी, तो कितने जन गए थे केदारनाथ के दर्शन लेने के लिए? ओके, सभी गए थे. सभी को अच्छा लगा? Right from start to end with fresh flower decoration, the Kedarnath was just awesome. So give a big round of applause for such a unique theme of Kedarnath. And sir, we are looking forward for same unique theme next year. सोशल मीडिया का एरा है, सबसे जो सोशल मीडिया का एरा है, और इस इंस्टाग्राम पे नियरली 10 लाख रिव्यूज आए थे फॉर सच अ ब्यूटिफुल कंसेप्ट, wherein Balaji Social Foundation gave the cash reward of 31,000 rupees for 8 lakh reviews, 21,000 rupees for 7 lakh reviews, and 11,000 cash award for 6 lakh reviews. लास्ट ईयर का एनुअल रिपोर्ट मैंने कंप्लीट किया था बाल संस्कार केंद्र जो बालाजी मंदिर में शुरू हुआ था. We got such a good response. This was the pick of the last year's concluding part of annual report. But the response for that was so awesome, and sir continued with the social work for which sir had organized many activities during Diwali, during Navratri. दिवाली शुरू होने के पहले हम जैसे मिठाइयाँ बनाना चाहते हैं, तो considering the need of the society, sir had done grocery distribution at Balaji Mandir. Then during Navratri, Kanya Pujan was done. During Ganpati, Bhagavad Sapta was organized, and grand Tulsi Vivaah was organized. ऐसा लग रहा था सच्ची में किसी की शादी में आए थे. A grand reception, एकदम जैसे हम जैसे शादी में जाते हैं, इतना grand arrangement था. Even blood donation camp was organized. As I said, sir conducts various social programs. Same time, sir being the social figure, organizes different social activities and sponsors tournamentship for the various sports also. So here we have a Kabaddi, Balaji Social Foundation Kabaddi team, who always get support from Mudliar sir. And this is Pooja, who has won national level competition. We have here, I need not introduce anybody. Staff, Amudlia ma'am. Okay, but as a part of the formality, I need to introduce our chairperson, Honorable Advocate Ankita Mudliar ma'am. Ma'am is chairman of Vision Academy. Ma'am's strongly visionary mission for academic upgradation with perfect managerial policy and procedures has always kept school at #1 in Nasik Road. Ma'am's word of encouragement and advice keeps the staff stable. जनरली एक देखा जाए तो ma'am shoulders many responsibility of different firms of foundation from the same time. जैसे हम रेगुलरली स्कूल आते हैं, मैम भी रेगुलरली स्कूल आते हैं, क्योंकि मैम को पता है हमें रोज कुछ डाउट्स रहते हैं, रोज कुछ क्वेरीज रहते हैं. एंड थ्रू आउट द ईयर, थ्रू आउट द मंथ ऑल्सो आई कैन से वी हैव डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज एंड सेलिब्रेशन. सो जस्ट मैम कीप्स ऑन गाइडिंग how we can conduct it successfully with the unique concept. There is Vision Kids photo. I would like to say that even Vision Kids has a strong strength of 500 children. Hardly any pre-primary school in the Nasik Road has such a beautiful premises, such a huge strength. So today we can proudly say that Vision Family stands with the strong strength of 2,000 students. Our classrooms are well equipped with digital board, ventilation, for which children are very curious daily to come to school. It happens. Principal Miss was rewarded by an association for the best guidance given to the students. I'd like to say one thing. Now you can understand that everywhere annual day season is going on. The choreographers, for them it is easy to manage other schools' annual day, but be difficult to manage our school annual day. It is just because of Thomas Miss, I can say. Because Miss always needs unique costumes for which Miss will keep on fighting till the last moment. Unique costumes, unique song, unique theme. So on behalf of children, I'm really thankful to Miss for giving such a beautiful platform to the students. Staff of Vision Academy, a big family with the 70 staff. This is the teaching faculty of Vision Academy. Our domestic staff, our security staff, I can see the crowd till end. No more waiting. No more excitements and curiosity to wait. We'll start with the program. I request everybody to please be seated. We'll start the program. And no worries, today I'm not the anchor. नहीं तो शुरुआत मुझे देख 14 साल. I would like to remind that last year also our students did the anchoring. और एक साल एनुअल डे हुआ नहीं कोविड की वजह से, तो मैंने एंकरिंग बार बार नहीं किए, इस बार भी नहीं करूंगी, बच्चे एंकरिंग करने वाले. So let's take me a leave and it's time for students to take up the mic. Rucha and Manasvina.
A very grand evening and joyous welcome to all. I am Ms. Rucha Poddar from Standard 9th. Roll down the red carpet of welcome to all the dignitaries and guests. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all on this auspicious occasion for celebrating the 13th annual day of our school Vision Academy. On this event, I invite Mr. Rahul Dikle sir, who is the chief guest of our today's program. I also welcome our founder chairman, Honorable Kailash Mudliya sir, chairperson of our school, Advocate